everyone, my name is Adrienne. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am so excited to be participating in an open collab hosted by Valerie at the Target Life. I will have her channel and the playlist linked in my description box below. Today I am making some lemon blueberry cake with my son. I am the mom of two extremely picky eaters, and through feeding therapy and OT, they have come to try many new different kinds of food, and I find when I get them in the kitchen, they have a propensity to try the final product. So we are going to put this all together, and I'm so glad to take you guys along. My son is really into STEM, and so we made this into a science project. We put the batter in wet. It was a liquid, and after it was cooked at 350 degrees, it came out a solid, and so we talked about the chemical reaction, and he thought that was really neat, and then shared it with his class the next day. And then once this cake was totally cooled, I made some buttercream frosting. I added a little bit of lemon zest, and then my son told me exactly where to put all of these blueberries, and then he thought it wasn't quite special enough, so he got some sprinkles and decorated this to the 9th degree. And that is our summer dessert. Valerie, thank you so much for hosting. Like I said, I will have her channel and the playlist linked in my description box below. I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and safe. And I hope you get your kids in the kitchen to cook because it's so much fun. Bye, guys. I'll see you in my next one.